I got 50 days to draw every character from Demon Slayer. Without further ado, let's get popping. First, we got Zenitsu. I know a lot of people hate him because he can be sometimes annoying, but he's one of my faves since he always show up when it's matter, and you can't take that away from him. Next, we have Tamayo-san. What I can say, she is one of the good because without her potion, Muzan would not have been defeated. Genya, oh my dog Genya. They only use to have American breathing because he used gun, American gun. That was supposed to be a funny joke, but you waiting on me, man. Never mind. Next, we got Sanemi. I went for a younger version of Sanemi because I hate how mini he is as a grown up. He's still a dog, but I wanted to bring his innocence back. Oh, Kyojuro. My God, since you died, I have been praying on Akaza downfall, and I know God will answer my prayer. Man, I can't wait to see Akaza die. We have Enmu. I don't know why, but Enmu is how I see Sasuke fan. And yes, I'm Sasuke's biggest hater. He is a mass murderer, tried to kill Naruto after my god saved the entire world. Don't get me started. Shinobu culture, my shishi, just for making sure that when the Doma go down, you are that queen. Tokito Moichiro, my young genius. What I can say, you just him. The fact that he's the only hashira to kill an upper rank by himself, man, he's that good. Obanai. Well, this dude is Tanjiro's biggest hater, and as a real hater, I don't like him, but you gotta respect his game. Man, Yahaba, Muzan did you dirty. Too young, too innocent, and too stupid, but his character design is one of my top 5 anime character design ever. I don't know. Dude, side by side, this dude will make Jeffrey Dahmer and Ted Bundy look like saints. Do you know how sick you gotta be? Fam, I can't wait to watch this die. Susamao, since she got packed the same day as Yahaba, what I can say? Young, dumb, and dead. Sometimes I think about what her power would look like if she was an upper rank. Man, she would have go crazy. Yuichiro, well. Since he helped Tamayo, I can hate on him, but I don't know, man. Never mind. Tanjiro, my dog, my goat. But I gotta say, for someone who lost nearly his entire family, he should have maybe have 1 or 2 crash out, because you got to be really mentally strong to keep being positive like that. Man, ain't no way. Just for that, dub for Tanjiro. Oh, Kanoroji Mitsuri, I love you, but we can't be together because I'm not financially stable enough to feed you. Other than that, being with Obanai to keep him broke, I couldn't ask for more. Gil-san, the nonchalant king, the flowing demon hunter, the aura farmer that sliced that psychopath Wui in a heartbeat, the one that take care of Tanjiro and Nezuko. Anybody that talk bad about Gyu, you got a hater in me. Kaza. Do you know for how long I've been praying on your downfall? I don't care about your backstory. You got to go, buddy. Cause you got the hater in me for eternity after you kill Rengoku. You little thief. Nezuko. What I can say, man, the progress Nezuko made, the fact that she always protect her brother, man. I mean, her character development, man, she's the queen for real. Kanao, at the end, they might make a girlfriend. She don't talk much, she fight like the Randis do, and she slide that creepy bastard Doma. What I can say, she's on my god list. Uzui Tengen, the flashy god, my dog. Damn, them men started the downfall of the upper rank and then he retired with 3 bodies. I tip my hat to you. This is the result of all the drawings I made. I hope you will enjoy it. And again, if you're still making on this video, don't forget to subscribe. I love you. I see you next week for another video. Stay safe, gang.